Hello everyone. Let's study more systems of equation problem from SAT questions. Okay, today we're gonna use DESMOS to solve one of the problem here. Y equal to 4x plus 1, 4y equal to 15x minus 8. The solution to the given systems of equation is x and y. What is the value of x minus y? Since they're asking the value of x minus y, we have to find the value of x and y. So let's use DESMOS in the computer. You can use DESMOS in your own computer or iPad when you take a SAT test. So we're gonna do this, okay? So let's plug it in. Y equal to 4x plus 1. And then another one, 4y equal to 15x minus 8. When you try to find the intersecting points, okay. Intersecting points here. So we found the value of x and y as a x equal to negative 12, y as a negative 47. So x minus y will be negative 12 minus negative 47. Then that comes out as a 35. So x minus y will be 35. You can use that way to solve the systems of equation. Now, let's do another problem here. 6x plus 7y equal to 28. 2x plus 2y equal to 10. The solution to the given system of equations is xy. What is the value of y? This time, they're just asking for one value, which is a y. So what I will do is try to eliminate x. So in that way, you can find the value of y directly. To eliminate x, you have to have a same number. One of the equation has a 6x, the other one is a 2x. If you make a same number, same coefficient with a different sign, then you can add it together to eliminate. So what I will do is you multiply by negative 3 on the bottom one. So in that way, you can make a negative 6x. Let's multiply all negative 3 here. So negative 6x minus 6y equal to negative 30. And then the top one, I'm going to rewrite here. 6x plus 7y equal to 28. You had a negative 6x and 6x. Same number with a different sign. You can add it together. Then you can eliminate negative 6x and 6x to add. And then negative 6y plus 7y become a 1y equal to, when you add the negative 30 with a 28, you get negative 2. So the value of y will be negative 2. So you find the value of y as a negative 2 directly by using elimination method. And then this question is a little different. That has a little praise of the variable with the number together. X minus 2 minus 4 times of y plus 7 equal to 117. X minus 2 plus 4 times y plus 7 equal to 442. Whenever they give out this kind of problem, they have a pattern. So you don't have to multiply out and distribute. You don't have to do that. You can just look at it. When I say there's a negative 4 and positive 4, same number with a different sign in front of y's. So if I simply add it together, then you can eliminate, since it's all same expression with a y plus 7, y plus 7. So you can eliminate those two expressions. You add those two, become a 2 of x minus 2 is equal to, when you add 117 plus 442 will be 559. If it is simply asking for the value of x, then I can divide by 2 and then add it to at the end to find the value of x. But this one, they don't ask you about the value of x. They're asking about the value of 6 times of x minus 2. We know 2 times of x minus 2 as a 559. To find the 6 times of x minus 2, then we need to multiply the whole thing by 3. In that way, you can have a 6 times of x minus 2 equal to 559 times by 3. You will get 1677. So the answer for 6 times x minus 2 will be 1677.